Gusto mong magka-client, ayusin mo muna ang typing mo. Welcome to task number 2 of VA Life this 2025 challenge. And for today, ang gagawin natin, typing activity. Gusto mong mag-work from home pero hindi mo na-realize na isa sa mga pinaka-basic pero importanteng skill na kailangan mo ay typing. Bakit? Kasi halos lahat ng online jobs, whether it's virtual assistants, data management, email support, lahat yan may typing involved. Mabagal ka? Walang problema. Na-enhance yan. Pag mabilis kang mag-type, mas productive ka, mas efficient ka, mas confident ka, at mas madali kang makakahanap ng client. Kaya, importante mag-practice araw-araw kahit 15 minutes lang. Gumamit ka ng mga free tools na kagaya ng typing.com, keyboard.com, 10fastfingers.com. First website, go to typing.com. Pagkatapos, you have to click on Start Typing Today. It will then give you this curriculum where you can start learning for free. So all you have to do is click on Start, watch this video tutorial, and once you are done, magiging accessible na to para you can start practicing na. Next website is keyword.com. Pero ang una nito, ikakalibrate nyo muna siya. So, itatype ninyo kung ano yung pinuturo niya doon. At pagkatapos, pwede nyo nang simulan yung practice ninyo. Next is 10fastfingers.com. All you have to do is click on Start Typing Test. At meron din sila mga challenges dyan. Promise, malaking tulong to sa trabaho mo. Kaya kung seryoso ka na sa online career mo or pag-shift mo sa freelancing, simulan mo na ngayon pa lang. Practice lang ng practice, gagaling ka din. And as usual, ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section ang link ng previous task para makasunod ka. Don't forget to document your journey, tag me, and use the hashtag VALifeThis2025. I'll see you on the next task. Bye!